Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Kenny Felice. So this is a non-sponsored review of the Reshoevn8r, and if you guys are interested in purchasing the Reshoevn8r, I will have a link for this in my description below. But first, let's see how it works. So I bought the Reshoevn8r Deep Cleaning Kit. I'm just gonna go through each product and show you guys what it does. So this is the cleaning mat. Gonna open this up. I'm sure that I'm gonna use this to kind of put my sneakers on, which is pretty cool because it's a microfiber towel, and this helps avoid any kind of puddles that may form or kind of soak in the water really well so you don't make a mess everywhere. I really like what the Reshoevn8r brand has to offer. I think they've done a really good job at sourcing the best materials for you to clean your shoes. So here today I have a pair of French Blue 7s. I bought these while I was in college, maybe in the year 2015. So these shoes are actually 7 years old. So I'm really excited to see what the Reshoevn8r could do. I'm hoping that it could restore these sneakers. It also came with a drying rack and bowl combo. We'll figure that out later and see what this does. But it comes in a box and you just open it. I think you put your shoelaces here and then you let it hang and it helps the shoelaces dry off. It also comes with cleaning solution. 2 squirts of this soap does the job really well. It's not too rough. You don't need any like Clorox or any strong chemicals like that. And these are sneaker wipes. And it comes with about 12 of these, which is pretty cool. And laundry detergent. This has no color, so it's dye free. If you ever need to put your shoes in the washing machine in cold water is what they always recommend. I got the deep cleaning kit, which brought these additional items and also this box. This is kind of the basic one. It's the most affordable package. I recommend you guys give this one a try, and I'll have both of these linked in the description box below. So this comes with a thank you card from Reshoevn8r and a QR code for you to scan on your phone to be able to pull up some how-to videos to help you throughout the process, which is pretty cool. I'll take a look at that. It also comes with another microfiber towel. These are shoe trees, which are awesome. This helps remove creases from your shoes. Definitely gonna need these today, so I will be putting this in my shoe as well. Just have to adjust it according to size and it should do the job. They recommend putting it in before you start cleaning just so that it can start to form around the scrubbing patterns that you do. So we'll give this a shot. And this is the laundry bag. So I'll throw the shoes in here. Again, remember to keep your water cold when you're washing your sneakers. And it also has a little insertion for the shoelaces too. And you guys will see that in a couple minutes. So we're gonna keep this one and then put this one aside so you guys can check out the difference later. So guys, just want to mention that we have the soft bristle brush for the uppers, we have the medium bristle brush as well, and then we have the stiff bristle brush for the toe caps and the bottom sole of the shoe. We have some water in my bowl. I'm gonna grab my cleaning solution and just put 2 squirts in the bowl and mix it up. Gonna start with my soft bristle brush. Just gonna start scrubbing, kind of start releasing some of the dirt. We're gonna let the suds sit a little bit. Not gonna lie, so far it's looking cleaner. So now I'm gonna move with the soft bristle brush and start cleaning up the insole and just scrubbing any material in here that is a little dirty. So. gonna move to our medium bristle brush just to continue cleaning the upper area of the shoe and some of these yellow parts. We're gonna see if it comes off. We're gonna just use our stiff bristle brush to clean out the soles, the bottom part. If there's any like tough dirt in there, hopefully this removes it. But I'm still seeing some yellowing on the toe cap, so I'm hoping that either the washing machine takes care of that. If not, I'm gonna have to step out and buy some ZARA 40 and see if that method helps as well. So. I'm about to put them in the washing machine, but before I do, just gonna put the shoelaces in the remaining solution, just kind of soak them up so that it could start to release some of the dirt. Got my Reshoevn8r shoe laundry bag that came with it, and it's pretty cool because it came with a little pocket to put the shoelaces. So we're gonna put this in the washing machine, cold temperature, regular cycle. Let's get to it. All right, guys, we're gonna put this in the washing machine now. Goes in here along with our pod as well. Make sure that it's on cold, auto sensing, and just a regular cycle. We'll come back when it's ready. So we are back from the washing machine, and I have to say I'm impressed. So far, this is how it's looking out. This is the one side. The creases have gotten better. I am just going to touch up the toe cap. As you guys can see, it's a little yellow. So I have some ZARA 40, I have a brush, and I have some saran wrap to kind of put it in the front area so that it could help with that yellowing. So we're gonna do that step now, but so far, it's looking good after the wash. I have to admit, the sneakers smell fresh. I love the smell of the detergent. This Reshoevn8r kit, as you guys can see, is definitely worth your money if you want to just take an extra step or take some care of some of those good old classic sneakers that you have. So there's a lot more coming, but let's get the saran wrap on and let's move on to the next step. The shoelaces came out really good. As you guys can see, I'm just gonna put them on the drying rack so that they can dry off. This is a work of art. No, this is a work of art. No, this. I've never used this method. This is the first time I try this. Let's see how it works out. We're gonna get our saran wrap and put that on. All right, we are going to let the sun do its job. We'll put these outside and we will check back with you guys tomorrow and see what it looks like. We are back from applying that ZARA 40 on the shoe, putting it out in the sun last night and also this morning. So in total, probably like 6 to 8 hours. And we are going to unwrap this and see how our toe cap is looking. Gonna figure out if that ZARA 40 was able to remove some of the yellowing from the sneaker just from its old age. So this is how our shoe came out. I do see results in the toe cap. I think I should have left it in the sun a little longer, kind of just maybe have scrubbed that toe cap portion a little more, but I am seeing a whiter result from how yellow it was before. Last thing to do is to lace these up, and we're gonna compare before and after and see if we see any type of progress, and you guys can let me know on the comments below. Alright guys, this is the final result. I laced these up. Just want to review what we did here today. We started off with using our medium bristle brush just to scrape off any dirt that this had, using our exclusive Reshoevn8r deep cleaning kit, and then we went ahead and used our cleaning solution, and then with the brushes we were able to go from soft to just for the uppers, work our way down to the medium bristle brush and then the stiff bristle brush just to clean the bottom of the sneaker. We ended up putting our shoe moldings just to kind of help eliminate some of the creases, and then we went ahead and threw these in the washing machine with the Reshoevn8r detergent as well and the sneaker laundry bag. After that, we were able to let the shoe dry a little bit, and then we added some Salon Care 40 in the front, wrapped it with saran wrap to help that yellow toe cap get a little whiter. Did see some results. I want you guys to comment below if you do see a difference in these shoes. Again, there are some scuffs and scratches still left with these shoes. I still in the future plan on working on these and painting them and sanding them down just to give them a nice new finish. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the Reshoevn8r kit, if you guys see a difference, if it's worth it. And here is the before. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all the love and support. Please comment below if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel. My name is Kenny Felice. Thank you for watching Felice Travels. Until next time, we'll see you guys soon. Peace.